We've made space for the bees. People don't like bees.
They've filled our voided space.
Bees are necessary.
A bee is in the room.
Without bees, we'd die.
Buzz. But that doesn't mean people like them.
Buzz. And the buzz.
Buzz. Buzz.
A foreign tongue. People don't like the buzz, the sound of low-level headache. Try a long buzz and see.
Buzz. Buzz.
Well, maybe that was fun, but still, the sting.
The sting is
Pain.
Pain is feeling. I miss feeling. I miss the feeling of another.
when this is over, the first thing I shall do is hug someone, longer and deeper than I ever have before.
If we never disturbed the bees, if we let them get on with their jobs, they would never sting. As painful as a sting is for me, to a honeybee, a sting is far worse.
A honeybee's sting cost them their life.
The ultimate sacrifice.
When this is over,
I really hope
We keep space for the busy bees who keep us alive.